Introducing a company that's bringing a smile across the faces of women in India and around the world. Looking good and feeling good is an enduring ambition worldwide. Beauty is truth and truth is beauty. The science of life and the origin of natural and alternative medicine have mentioned in the oldest texts, the Rig Veda, about 6,000 years ago, where Ayurveda, a comprehensive healthcare system, is prescribed for the ultimate self-realization. Creating a supreme symphony of nature and human knowledge, aligning the power of herbs and the power of science, after 2 years of research, gave birth to Jovies. Jovies has brought about a revolution in the world of cosmetics by combining the magic of herbs and the power of science. From the time of its inception in 2004, Jovies herbal formulation has researched extensively the power of herbs and their ability to maintain and enhance the beauty of the human skin. The Jovies herbal line combines ancient Ayurvedic secrets with world-class scientific processes, herbs and botanicals that help in improving the moisture-retaining abilities of the skin. All products are clinically tested and undergo microbiological tests to ensure that these are safely absorbed through the pores of the human body. Jovies products have been carefully designed to cater to all skin types and various skin and hair disorders in today's fast-paced life. Jovies herbal cosmetics are produced at its state-of-the-art manufacturing units at Rudrapur and Noida. Using the most advanced scientific processes that adhere to international standards in all stages from production, initial processing, packaging to quality control. All departments are managed by qualified professionals to ensure the highest quality standards. From the top level to the sales team, the company's consistent focus is to deliver the best to its valued customers. Every strategy envisaged focuses on the development of quality products.
At Jovies, we have always relied on using cutting-edge scientific processes that ensures we have retained the therapeutic properties of the best quality herbs that we use. The driving force for us at Jovies has always been the response we have received from our valuable consumers and business partners. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our valuable partners who had faith in our vision and partnered with us in this journey to make Jovies a global brand.
Since the launch of Jovies herbal range in 2004, with just 24 products, Jovies has introduced many more quality and innovative products for skin, hair and body care. And an overwhelming response from its customers and business partners has led the company to add another 70 innovative formulations and 102 stock keeping units.
I'm using Jovies products since last 2 or 3 years. It's brilliant and excellent result.
मैं 1 ईयर से इसका ये प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बहुत अच्छा इसका रिजल्ट है। फेस वॉश तो मैं डेली में इसको यूज़ करती हूँ।
Jovies के जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, they are totally very premium quality. All products are very good. Jovies आज तक जिस कस्टमर को दिए उन्होंने दोबारा रिपीट किए।
Jovies comprises of herbal skincare range, 24 karat gold range, sun care range, hair care range, lip care as well as eye care. The company started exporting its products within 8 months of its first product launch, and today their products are being exported around the world to the United Kingdom, Spain, France, Holland, Hong Kong, Korea, Sri Lanka, Malaysia as well as Nepal.
When the association of Jovies with RF Asia in Sri Lanka started in 2005, and I can tell you since then Jovies has had an upward trend. It's a tremendous brand, it's a product that has really delivered on its promises, and I can tell you that people in Sri Lanka are really so excited about Jovis and what it has done.
Going forward, Jovis aims to be the leading brand in quality herbal products worldwide. Jovis stands not just for a herbal cosmetic line, but a zeal and fervour to provide the best value for money products to its customers at large.